What's going on, guys? It's here Eddie from Genius C Productions. In this video, I am going to make a shake of carrots and lime. And this is to keep your body healthy and lose weight. So, with this being said, let's get started. Well, the first thing you're gonna need is a cup of water like this. It has the water. I am going to use the Ninja Bullet blender. And it already has the ingredients. Carrots, the lime, the water. The carrots, you have to chop in little pieces. Also the lime, and also you have to squeeze the lime and then add the water. The blender is plugged. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And before I turn it on, I'm gonna show you how I put this on. All I do is twist this part. Make sure it's unlocked, take it out. As you can see, this is the cup. All I have to do is untighten and then just take it off. Those little things right there, they're gonna go right in that hole, just like that. And then I'm gonna lock it up. Did you hear that click? That's how you know it's locked. Now, I am going to go ahead and turn the blender on. I'm gonna go ahead and click on start. I turned it off, and as you saw, the power of the Ninja Bullet blender. That's how powerful it is to blend these ingredients and any other thing. It's real powerful. I would say it's way better than the regular blenders, in my opinion. Well, let's continue. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the blender. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the glass cups off, as you heard the click, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off. Just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and leave this only with juice. And this is to drink only at night before you go to sleep. So you drink this at night 1 hour before you go to sleep. Now this is the carrot with lime juice that I done last night, and I put it in the refrigerator. This is what it looks like. It's cold, and every night before I go to sleep I take a cup. You can use one of these cups or another kind of cup. And let me show you what it looks like. And when drinking it cold, it tastes a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and shake it to get all the proteins mixed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour it right in the cup. I'm just gonna pour a little bit, but usually I drink a cup all the way to right here. I'll fill it up actually. Not all the way to the top, but right at this point. Now, I'm gonna show you. So, let me drink the carrot with lime juice. Cheers. It tastes really good. Cold, it tastes way better. And the juice is to be drink 1 hour before you go to sleep every night, so it can work better when you're asleep. Drink this for 14 days and you will be seeing results within 3 days. This is very healthy, nutritious, tastes really good. Well, the good as to how it tastes, only you will know, but in my opinion, it tastes really good, and this juice is really healthy. So, cheers. Salud. It tastes so good. No more. All right, let's continue with the video. Let's continue with the recipe. Now, I am going to pour this new juice right in this bottle. One more thing. It has a straw, and I also take zips with the straw. This is how long the straw is. And yes, you have to wash everything before you use it. I cover it up. Make sure the lid is real tight. Shake it. And all you do is every night you take a cup full and you drink it 1 hour before you go to sleep. Then you go to sleep. And then during the night, while you're asleep, the juice will be working right in your tummy. Yes, right in your stomach. Keep doing this for 14 days and see the results. You will see the results within 3 days. Put this in the refrigerator. Make sure it gets cold. The juice does not have to be cold. You can drink it regular if you want. But in my opinion, it tastes better cold. So keep it in the refrigerator, and then every time you need it, go ahead and drink a cup every day. Now the carrots, you can buy it at any place. All you gotta do is just cut them into pieces. The lime, all you gotta do is just squeeze it and then cut the limes in little pieces. Then just put it in the blender. Use one of these cups of water, fill it out to the top, pour it, and then blend all the ingredients together. And that's all you do. To what's left of the carrots, all this you just throw away. Or if you want to eat it, it's up to you. Because all we want is the juice. That's all we want. But this, you can throw away, or you can just eat it if you want. I don't know. Put it in for a soup. For a salad. I know that's right. You can eat it, put it in salad, a soup, or whatever you want to do. Other than that, this is it. If you saw this video of value, make sure to click that thumbs up and give it a like. Make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to answer you back. Thank you for the support to Genius C Productions. Make sure you share this video as well. I also have my products available. I'll put the link right on the description box below, and you can see all the products that I have of Genius C Productions, of other products that I'm designing as well. Other than that, thank you for watching. This is Eric Cantu from Genius C Productions. See you in the next video. Blessings. Love you guys.